this is Tahuntian Company for another apartment visit. So let's begin by the living room. As you can see, big sofa, table, television. Everything is directly connecting to a little balcony. Okay, I'm gonna show you what's going on there. As you can see, a great view on the lake. You are not directly exposed to the sun, so it's fresh, very comfortable. Okay, let's continue by the kitchen, with of course providing with many furnitures. Just over here, a big table. This is the apartment corridor. Right here, one bathroom. Just here, it's the first room with a bed, 2 places, not so big but enough to sleep at 2. Just here, this is the entrance door. Here we are in the bigger room with a big bed, 2 places, with a television on the wall, commodities to put and arrange your clothes, windows to provide you enough light, a little desk, some lights, and a private bathroom. So that's it for this apartment. Thank you. Bye bye.